Welcome to this tutorial on binary search fundamentals. Today, we are going to learn one of the most efficient ways to find information within a computer, specifically searching through sorted lists. Let's start with the problem. Imagine you have a list of numbers and you need to find a specific one. The most obvious way is to check the first number, then the second, then the third, and so on. This is called linear search. It works, but it's very slow. If you had a million numbers, you might have to check a million times. We need something better. This is the most important rule for today. Binary search only works if your data is sorted. That means the numbers must be arranged from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. If your list is a scrambled mess, you cannot use this technique. Here is the core concept: divide and conquer. Instead of checking every item, we go straight to the middle. We compare our target number with the middle number. Based on that comparison, we can instantly throw away half of the list that we know doesn't contain our number. We keep repeating this process. Let's look at a real example. We are looking for the number 12 in this sorted array. We define a start point, 0, and an end point, 8. We calculate the exact middle index, which is 4. The value at index 4 is 12. We compare our target 12 with the value 12. They match. We found it instantly. But what if the number wasn't in the middle? Suppose we were looking for the number 7. The middle is 8. Since 7 is less than 8, we know for a fact that our target cannot be on the right side. We discard the entire right half in the middle. We only need to search the left side now. Why do we care? Speed. In computer science, we measure this with big O notation. Linear search is O of n, meaning time grows with the data size. Binary search is O of log n. To put that in perspective, if you had 1 million items, linear search takes up to 1 million steps. Binary search takes about 20. It is exponentially faster. Think of an old-school phone book or dictionary. If you are looking for the name Smith, you never start at the letter A and read every page. You open the book roughly in the middle. If you land on M, you know S is in the back half, so you ignore the front half. You repeat this until you find the page. You have been doing binary search your whole life without knowing it. To wrap up, remember these 3 points. 1. Your data must be sorted. 2. It is incredibly fast with a time complexity of O of log n. And 3. It works by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half. This simple logic is the backbone of efficient database searching and many other complex algorithms.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.